Look. Yeah, there. Oh my goodness. And these people are down. Look. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Oh. Yeah. There's another one there. I'm taking that picture. Look at them, look.
Kaya natakot ako sa wetland. Alright, we're doing it.
Look, they're on the top, oh. Like hanging on the top.
Imagine if you're upside down.
Oh my god, look, there's a old guy also there, oh. You got it? Imagine you're on the top. $15 ticket.
Little kids going on.
Yeah, look.
They're braver than me. We're going back. Look at the people waiting for the fair. It's called a Ferris wheel. Yay! It's called the Polar Bear Express.
Oh, that one? Yeah. Look at the people. We're almost there. Look at the people, huh? Baby. I'm so proud for that. I'm so proud with that baby. Like count. It's kind of scary. You're gonna bring that. Look this one, oh. Look the other one, oh. You're not scared, look, no? The baby, oh. Or this one, small one. almost there. Oh wow, what is that?
It's a restaurant.
Yay, I don't want to eat like that. It's too scary. I think if I'm gonna eat, I'm not gonna move, you know? Like,
It's a restaurant in the sky.
I feel I'm in... Oh, this is the live band. Is this one?
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
What happened?
It's almost over. That's why I'm thanking God.
We're almost there. Yay! It's getting cold, no?
Yeah, it's cool.
A few moments later.
$100. Are you gonna shoot it? Oh, look at price.
Make sure my pockets are all.
This one lang. Look at that. Next. No, what is it? Yeah. You'll do swim. Fountain. Oh yeah, I remember it. We're going fountain. We'll take a picture now.
Yeah, we have to take their care. I have so many problems in my life.
We're almost there. Korean dogs. This one is so many people because that's the entrance one. People come in. Yeah.
One of the main entrances.
What is this? Oh, bar. There's a bar also there. There you go. We're done. Finished.
Dinner in the sky.
Yeah. Oh.
I think you buy your tickets there, so that's the restaurant up there.
Oh. Wait, we're here. We're done.
It's $100 per person.
Oh my goodness. Maybe if you're celebrated anniversary, probably. Yay, done. Woo. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. You know, I'm just...
Please remove your hands from the handrails and keep your hands close to your
Yay.
chest. Exit quickly to the gate on your left. Exit now. Thank you for riding. Please remove your hands.
Oh, look at this, oh. The big teddy bear. Yeah, look.
It'd be about as scary as I would think.
Yeah. Yeah.
그건 누구를 잡았으면
Look at the CNE tower now. Oh, wow. Look at that. Finally. That's good. That's only we have only one way. Because if you are in the in the bottom, like you can see that it's too high. Like now you're here, like it's kind of like you're in like 600 feet. Look at that.